Hello, welcome back. We are still working with factors and multiples, and today we are going to find the greatest common factor of 30 and 42 by prime factorization. In this method, we are going to use prime factors to divide 30 and 42, and we are going to choose the common one. After that, we are going to multiply them to get the greatest common factor. The prime factor that we are going to use are 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, and so on. Our numbers are 30 and 42. Now, we are going to start with 2. All these numbers, they are divisible by 2. So, I'll start to divide by 2. 30 divided by 2, it is 15. 42 divided by 2, it is 21. Since 2 divides 30 and 42, it is common. So, I choose it. Then, I can't divide again by 2 because 15 is odd number and 21 is odd number. I shift to 3. I'll divide by 3. 15 divided by 3, it is 5. 21 divided by 3, it is 7. Since 21 and 15 is divided by 3, 3 is common. Also, I'm going to choose it. I have finished with 3, I go to 5. By 5, 5 divided by 5, it is 1. 7 divided by 5, it is impossible. So I'll drop 7. As you can see, 5 divided only 5. It didn't divide 7. So I'm not going to choose 5. At last, I'm going to divide by 7. I drop 1. 7 divided by 7, it is 1. So, I find the common factor that divides 30 and 42 are 2 and 3. I'm going to multiply them to get greatest common factor. So, I'll take 2 multiply by 3, I get 6. So, my GCF is equal to 6. I hope you understand this lesson. Don't forget to subscribe, share, and comment. See you next time. Bye.